So we're done with the contest. It was a fun weekend. A lot of points. Happy with the turn out. And now what's is coming next, right? So for that, I will explain everything right now. So we did the contest. We have all of the logs, right? And what you need to do next is a couple things. So the first one I do is I make sure that I export. Make sure you export your ADIF file. And so this one I already did, and I name it CQ underscore WW underscore WPX dash list to an underscore, actually, just to keep it consistent. And then SSB, because again, there are different type of contests. 2025, there's a year my call sign, and I know that this is good to go. So what that export will help me to do is to put all of those contacts into my logbook. I use QR set, and if I go into my logbook, the last one I have is from the 28th, Friday earlier. So I need to log all of the contacts that I made over the weekend. So that way, everybody else that was able to contact me can, if they are using QR set logbook, they will be able to confirm. I will be able to confirm to the calls. So you click on this icon right here, and we'll be able to import ADI file. So that's the only format that it will accept. So here I just choose the file. I know which one it is because I was pretty clear on naming this file. I will open it. You can opt to receive an email that making sure that everything goes well on the upload, and I will go ahead and import this right now. It's really fast. I don't have that many contacts anyway, but the more contacts you have, the longer time the import will take. But anyway, is not that long. You will see here. All right. While that cooks there, the next step will be to create Cabrillo file, and for us to be able to come to this page and upload it. So I'll leave the description. In the description, I'll leave you with the URL so you have access to that. If not, you always can Google 8 days contest. You have a calendar here, and since this past weekend still here, and when you click in it, there are the upload log ad, so you can also just jump directly to the uploading part of their website, where you can just go ahead and upload your file. And if this is really good, if there are errors, this web page will let you know where the errors are. You can correct them, and then you can upload. A couple things that you need to make sure. This is the one for the end of May. We'll be talking on later's video on that one, how to prepare for that one. But this is the one that passed this weekend, and I was in this category, which is the low up to 100 watts. So I checked that. It was only me. If you have more operators in your station, make sure you click on that one too. And you can just copy and paste the file here, or you can go and hunt for it. So let's see how my upload is going. All right. And I did get the email too. Now when I got into my logbook, it looks like something happened in the uploads. I'll check my email later. Let's jump into, but if everything goes well, then you just see all of them here. Let me do a refresh. Oh yeah, they're here. I just needed to click a refresh. So all of these contacts are here, and none of these ones are confirmed yet. That's because either the other people, they don't use QRZ logbook. They might be using logbook of the world, in which case I will not be able to receive confirmation. But if I refresh one more time, I don't have any at this point. So I'm hoping for the next days they also upload their file into their logbook for QRZ if they're using QRZ, and then I will be able to see the confirmations here. And that's all for the awards. And if you don't know what I'm talking about the awards, I can show you here if I go real quick into my page. This is the ones I'm talking about. If you want to learn about those, let me know. I can make a different video for that one. All right. Now to upload the log. This contest, they made it very clear. 5 days after the contest is done, there's 5 days that they will be receiving files. After that, you're out of luck. So let's go. I haven't done this one yet. So I will go ahead and use the generate Cabrillo file. A little message here. That's okay. You want to run a check? Yes. And this one, I also like to name it a bit differently. I start with my call sign. I like to use the underscore. You can use dashes, you can use spaces, whatever you want. This is this SSB, and I'll put the full year 225. And I will go ahead and save. Take a note that it's safe on the exported file for N1mm logger. That's the software I use. So I hit save. I'll hit OK. So this says the export is complete. And now submit Cabrillo file for partial check. I'll say yes. And I do get a message here that it went through the partial check. Okay. So now it's time to actually upload it. And then I'll be done with this part of the contest. So again, the contest ended. It doesn't actually end there. The competition ends there, but there's some homework to do. And this will be the last part. Take a note here on this page. If for some reason you arrive here, it says ready, or this one right here, it's just DX contest. Just make sure you always are uploading into the correct section of the website. And this is the one that just happened this weekend. And you can confirm here on this calendar that they have here. So just to make sure that you are on the right side. All right, so there's the logs, Cabrillo log upload, or again, if you are in the, like I showed you before, if you just click on the upload log add, you always have a link there. You just go ahead and do it here. So that's what we'll do. I mentioned already it was up to 100 watts. It's only me. I'll search for the file, which is right here. So that's why it's important just to keep a good name, because through the time you start collecting them and you just don't get confused uploading something that is not the one. So this is it, my call sign, the contest, the year. Go ahead and open and I hit next. And this is very important here. So make sure all this information comes when you set up your database. Okay, so single operator. I was participating in all of the bands. The power is low. That means up to 100 watts. Single sideband, non-assisted, only one transmitter. And so that is where, so I'll show you for the next contest how to set up all of that. So for now, let's go back here. That is where that information is coming from. Okay, so always double check in case you didn't set it up correctly before in N1MM. So if that's the case here, you will be able to verify that everything is correct. You are good to go. So yes, SSB, non-assisted single operator. I'm in Western Pennsylvania. That's my location. That's the contest, my call sign, my email. And here, everything else looks good. I'll just hit next. And to here to receive a copy. Yes, I will like that. And I'll go ahead and submit my logs now. Now you get this page with confirmation. At this point, if it found a type of error in the format, I just got the email, the tool will let you know where your errors are. Maybe you are missing the band, maybe you are missing something. You will get to know here with this website will let you know right away, so you can correct them and resubmit. All right. So at this point, I'm completely done with this contest. I was able to upload all of my logs into my logbook. And as you can see already, I have received some confirmations, which are great. And again, the one I have not received confirmation yet, which are a lot, is because perhaps these folks use Logbook of the World, or they haven't uploaded their ADI file yet. All right. Thank you. I hope this is helpful, and just keep in mind there's always something to do after you are done with the contest. And the process is the same for all of them. You create your ADI file, you upload here to your logbook, and then you create your Cabrillo file, and that's how you can send all your logs to the organizers, and then you receive your certificate of participation into the contest. Thank you for watching, and until next time. Bye.